Yo, 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 Levi again, Swift Hypnosis, aka the Viking Buddha. And today I'm doing a little brass wire wrapping. I'm going to take this, I'm going to insert this into my power drill here, and I'm going to wrap this bad boy up. So let's see if we can't get it going here. To take these two loose ends, we're going to insert them into the drill here, like so. There we go. I've got this little loop right here. I'm going to grab the very end of it. Right there. And now we'll begin to gently wrap. Let's see how this works here. We're starting to twist a little bit. There we go. Looking pretty good. It's getting pretty tight. I hope it doesn't snap on me here. I want to get it more than this. There we go. Let's see if we can focus in on this braid here. That looks pretty tight, liking the way it looks. Oh yeah. Release that. There we go. This is what the end of it looks like now. So I'll snip those up, and potentially, depending on what I decide to make with this, I might snip this end off as well. But I'm going to get it lengthened out to that sacred cubit measurement so that it has extra healing potential to it. And this is how we start to work with brass, from according to what I've learned so far. So if this interests you at all, I would say hit up YouTube, just like I've been doing, and dive into it and have some fun, see what you can make. All right, thanks for watching this quick copper. This is copper, what I've been working with. This quick copper wrap tutorial of sorts. Take care, guys.